I actually drove the truck before he did.
Facts.
I got to see it and drive it and everything. It was alright though, because he legally owns that, but emotionally I took it over. Those tires are so nice, man.
Starting like mine.
Ooh, buddy. That shift's weird.
Yeah.
It holds the gear like really long.
I got to drive it.
No, fuck, wouldn't let it drive it.
Oh, for God, for a second.
You gotta be back by 11:30. Before 11:30.
It was just burning it. It was just spinning the tires. It wasn't even going anywhere. I ain't never seen a roll cool like that, dude. Ever.
It's fucking all the way to the wood for it.
I ain't never done that. I've
Fucking Narfy!
been too scared to here's Grandpa's old house. Well, my old house, Grandpa's house. Pretty quick, or
Ain't pretty fucking fast.
do you think Christine's faster or no?
Mm-mm.
No.
Test it out later.
Take us in. What do we got here, buddy? What is this thing? This is Big Haas's new ride here. It's a 2025 F750. It's got 1,100 horse. It's got the big extendo mirrors so you can punch people while you drive down the road. They're power too, you know. The 2019 F250 6.7, deleted, tuned. Yeah, she's something, dude, for sure. This thing is a ripper. So he actually bought this truck in Minnesota, and he bought it in Michigan, but he was in Minnesota. So I got to drive it first. I got to go pick it up for him. I did no burnouts in it at all. 5-inch. We took the while we were up north, we met up there. We took the 14 wides off of old Christine over there, and then put the 20s on there. And this thing is awesome. 32,000 on it. Lariat, heated air conditioned seats. Nice little steering wheel here. Goes in and out on its own. Same thing there. Got the power folding, extending. She folds in. Badass truck, ruby red. Got a leveling kit for it already that we ended up getting for free because I forgot my wallet. Guy just said fucking gave it to us. So yeah, that's what a 14 wide on a 33 looks like. A couple little rubbies, but anyway, we're gonna put some smoked LED cab lights in there. And then you bought, what is it, just the highs or lows or something?
I think they're both the same.
Yeah, whatever. And he bought some of these too, but this is more of a project than just like your normal mirror, like a normal 6-liter mirror.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. Probably kind of hard to see. Yeah, those look sweet. Kind of hard to see during the day, but they'll probably look a lot better at night, you know, when the mirrors and everything are on. All right, well, huh?
I didn't get those, so those are gonna be hammered.
All right, this guy too.
Which is shitty because that'll never change until you get inside the headlight.
Right, change the lens out.
I might just take the bulb out. Call it a day. Because it doesn't blink, I don't think. That don't blink, just this does.
Right, that's probably just a run-in.
Just take...
What you got going on here, bud?
You know, we're just breaking shit, honestly.
Yeah, you think so?
TBH.
What you got going on?
What
are these?
Some fucking turn signals in here.
6K?
Yeah, you gotta get this pair off first.
Are these 6K?
Yeah, 5 or something.
5 or 6K? Here, let's see.
I think they're 5. That's what it said when you open it.
9,000 AH13. That doesn't tell me nothing.
I said open it, dude.
Hold on, hold on. Okay. Those look sweet. Dang, buddy. Those are stupid bright. It's almost all white out here.
Oh, damn, we forgot to unhook it. I guess it don't look horrible.
You unplug these, this little side marker here, so that way it's not amber, you want it's all white. It looks freaking sweet, man. We ended up having to take the switchbacks out of that and put them in here. And that was a huge huge little ordeal for something stupid. It looks good though.
So now I gotta take that back apart and undo that.
That's all on you, bud. It's gonna break shit.
Oh.
You sure there isn't any more? Like,
no, I'm saying
you pull it.
You literally just pull it out.
Pull it out. That sounded real healthy. You guys like fucking break the truck and it puts some headlights in.
Right here. Didn't break anything. What fell though? That's fresh. On the top.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now there's 2 through the fender. Yeah, it's gotta be. Here it is. No, you pull it out. That's your brand new truck. You probably got pulled. There you go. I seen that as soon as you like pulled on that last time. Okay. Give her the test, bud. I can't wait to see this fan just go. Meow. Hey, buddy. These things are brighter in your future. Yeah, you're good. They're on. Wind that thing down now.
Turn it down a notch.
Justin doesn't know how to read and he bought the wrong ones for his turn signal switchbacks. Yeah, he just bought the wrong ones. We might try and take the headlights out of that one, or the turn signals, see if those work. Okay. Those look sweet. Dang, buddy. Those are stupid bright. It's almost all white out here.
Oh, damn, we forgot to unhook it. I guess it don't look horrible.
You unplug these, this little side marker here, so that way it's not amber, you want it's all white. It looks freaking sweet, man. We ended up having to take the switchbacks out of that and put them in here. And that was a huge huge little ordeal for something stupid. It looks good though.
So now I gotta take that back apart and undo that.
That's all on you, bud. Ooh. Wow. Those are ridiculous, dude. Because he bought switchbacks, but a truck has like
work lights.
Like work lights.
That's what they are.
They are work lights?
You can buy a resistor for $65 that you just unplug it, this module. It's like right underneath the steering wheel. You unplug it, you plug that one in, and it's like this long. Then you plug it factory, and then you can turn those on for however long you want.
Oh, nice. So that's going to be kind of crappy to lose. I think it's cool, but how often are you really going to use it?
I would never use it.
But other than that, then you got
it's shitty because the Ford, you're missing like the Ford cylinder. But
you bought strips for underneath too. These trucks
you know,
actually.
the 20s come with LEDs on the boards.
Really?
Yeah, they're raised right here at the very end, and they have LEDs shooting in and out.
Those are just going to open.
Plugs now. I have like seen them.
But they're just going to open when you.
Door, they turn on.
That'll be
when
sweet.
You hit the unlock button, they turn on.
What does it look like now when you open it up? Get the puddle light in the mirror.
Yeah.
Nice.
So now it'll light up. That's what I was thinking. I might just leave it on like just the back door, because the front's already lit up. Why would I?
I think it's going to be like sewed. I would just do it right in the middle.
Going?
Alright, well we got these all wired up. Put some barrel connectors on them, some shrink tubing. We ended up figuring out that the wires are reversed on here. So white goes to black and black goes to, or white goes to red. Or is that the right way?
No, black goes to red.
Black goes to red.
Yeah.
Plug one in really
Black
quick.
is power. Off the switch. Or the fuck.
Alright, you want to try it really quick? Open the door. Jesus. And then this.
Did they change color?
Can slide onto there, so that stays there.
Dude, that would be cool to upgrade them with like RGB.
Right.
Controllers.
Oh shit, I need a snip or something.
Oh, cool. What is that?
Alright, wiped her off real quick, tucked them up there, can't even see them from the outside. You can see the wire a little bit right here, but we'll just zip tie it up somewhere up in there. See if you can see them. Hell yeah.
What?
You can see those in the daytime.
I'll do that.
That's sweet though. Hopefully, no, Luke, watch out.
Okay.
Here, play with this.
Oh, okay.
So hopefully it's like pretty much like kind of centered in it, but I think regardless, even if it's shifted front to the back a little bit, it's like the light's gonna be so damn bright out there, you know. All right, we'll go do the other side. The door. That's so sweet. Hell yeah. You got those lighting up. You got these boys lighting up. And you got the cab lights lighting
I
up.
want to hook like a bunch more up to that.
I know.
Like, fuck rock lights, just hook a bunch of these.
Right?
Just like
I know,
do the
it
whole
looks
wheel
sweet.
well.
Alright, we'll give them a little test at night. Jesus, dude. That hurts. Doesn't look all that bright right here, dude. That really hurts your damn eye when you, like, if you're looking right at it.
Whoa. What?
So you got the white lights here. The white puddles. Looks amber because of my hand. The white cab lights. White headlights. Just all white everything. Oh, that's it. But you guys know the drill. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions about any of these part numbers or anything, I'll probably, I'll put them in the description. But if you got any questions like how to hook them up or anything, cab lights are kind of funky when you do them. You gotta push back on them and then lift up, and you definitely feel like you're gonna break them. But smash the thumbs up if you like the video. But he's rocking some old merch right now. He's rocking some old merch in the front and some new stuff in the back. That'll be something here soon. He's repping more of it than I rep it. I don't even have a shirt. I made a bunch of them, didn't make any for myself. So, oh, I got one hoodie, yeah. But you guys will definitely have to look for the next video at the end of this one, because he's got some big boxes there, some little boxes, some big stuff in it. Easy link. We'll see you in the next one.